installed this vinyl wood grain floor, and what you see is a beautiful end result. Some of the most important things we can cover, and that's floor preparation underneath the vinyl that you can't see. And that's what we're going to discuss. Every product you purchase, whether it's professionally installed or it's a do-it-yourself product, you're going to know that in every product there is either inside the carton or like this Pergo carton, it's posted right on the back, job site conditions. Every manufacturer wants you to meet these standards. Like for instance on this one, you have to meet 5 pounds per 1,000 square foot vapor emissions on your concrete slab in 72 hours. This is your standard moisture vapor test that you can buy at most flooring facilities. And the way this test is run is inside this box you have a plastic dome that captures the moisture, and you have a container like this that holds calcium chloride tablets. You take the lid off this, which is pre-measured by the manufacturer for weight. You put it underneath the dome. You seal the dome all the way around so no air can escape. The vapor comes up through, hits the dome. The calcium chloride tablets grab the vapor that's coming through the concrete, they gain weight, and in either 24 or 72 hours, you measure that on a gram scale. It'll tell you the difference in weight, and that difference in weight tells you the vapor emissions in 24 to 72 hours. If your concrete subfloor or wood subfloor does not meet the requirements of vapor emissions, then you have to take steps to bring the vapor down, and that's where we use a two-part Synack product, where we can take a bare slab that tests out over the top of the requirements, say at 8 or 9 pounds or 12 pounds vapor emissions in 72 hours. We can bring it down below 3 pounds with a two-part epoxy and a penitent spray. And that's what you have to address these issues. Without addressing these issues, you've given up the possibility of your manufacturer's warranty. Now there's two issues in floor prep. One, of course, we discussed in vapor emissions, and we've dealt with it with the epoxy. The other would be dealing with the undulations in the concrete or wood subfloor. If the wood subfloor is not smooth, flat, and level, then there's a possibility of bubbles and wear and tear on your new flooring. That's where you bring in a cement product that's quick drying, and you level the floor, you fill in the low areas, you possibly grind the high areas, and you make the floor smooth enough so that when you either glue your new flooring product down or it's a floating floor, you've met the manufacturer's requirements to floor prep. That's why underneath the floor it's so critical. You have vapor, you have level, you have smooth. You have to meet these requirements in order for the manufacturer's requirements to be met and the warranties to be met, and also to have a nicer looking floor.